Hey guys, welcome back to another online banking guide. In today's guide, I'll show you how you can enroll or register to Eastern Bank's online banking account from your mobile device. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. After that, in the search bar, type in Eastern Bank. Now, download the Eastern Bank app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now, after you open the app, it will take you to this page where if you already have an account, you can simply log on to it by entering your username, password and tapping sign in. But if you don't have an account and want to enroll or register, tap on the enroll option, which is right over here. And now you can choose whether you want to enroll to your personal account or your business account. Now enter your first name, your last name, your social security number, and once you tap submit, you'll be successfully enrolled or registered to Eastern Bank's online banking account and services from your mobile device. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.